Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix GTA 5 not launching on Steam on PC, and let's get straight into the video. So the first method you guys can try doing is go over to Steam on your desktop, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can make your way over to library, look for GTA 5. Whenever you find it, just right click on it, hit properties, and then go to installed files. From installed files, all you want to do is just click on verify this game's files are installed correctly, and then hit verify integrity of game files. And what this does is this basically just like removes any corrupt files that may be causing issues. So that could fix the issue. Once you're done with that, go ahead and just X out and then try opening up Steam or opening up GTA 5. You can also restart Steam by clicking on Steam in the top left browser and then just hit exit. That will kind of like restart Steam. And another method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC and also restart your internet router, which you can do by just unplugging the power cord from your router, waiting about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. And once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.